Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we will see how to install Ubuntu in Android phone. Open Termux app. Always update the Termux app when you open it. So type apt update and press enter. And type apt upgrade and hit enter. Now we need to install Python. This will help in running files written in Python language. Type apt install python and hit enter. This will install Python package. Now we will install proot. Type apt install proot and hit enter. Proot is a user space implementation of chroot, mount, bind and binfmt misc. This means that users don't need any privileges or setup to do things like using an arbitrary directory as the new root file system. The benefits of enabling proot includes running Linux operating system in a Termux chroot on a Android smartphone and tablet. Now type apt install git and hit enter. This will install Git on your device. Now we will download the Ubuntu. Type git clone and the link. And hit enter. It is successfully downloaded now. Now type ls and hit enter. We have Termux Ubuntu folder here. To go inside this directory, type cd Termux Ubuntu and hit enter. Now we are inside Termux Ubuntu directory. To list all files in this directory, type ls and hit enter. Here is Ubuntu file. To run this file, type sh ubuntu.sh and hit enter. As the file is large, it will take some time to install. Yes, it is installed successfully now. Now we will launch the Ubuntu. Type /start.sh and press enter. I think I have missed something here. Oh yes, okay. Type /start-ubuntu.sh and hit enter. We can see the change in the terminal prompt. This means that Ubuntu has started successfully. That's it. See you in next lecture.